The natural gas grills are growing in popularity as more outdoor cooking enthusiasts seek efficient, clean-burning alternatives to charcoal and propane. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a weekend barbecue warrior, natural gas grills offer unbeatable convenience and consistent heat. In this guide, we evaluate the top models based on heat output, build quality, burner configuration, cooking space. List number: Bull Outlaw 30-inch built-in grill, BG26039, natural gas. The Bull Outlaw 30-inch built-in grill is a heavy-duty, high-performance natural gas grill made for serious outdoor chefs. Constructed from 14-gauge 304 stainless steel, it promises durability and resistance to rust. Its 4 porcelain-coated burners deliver a combined 60,000 BTUs, ensuring even heat distribution across 810 square inches of cooking space. Ideal for built-in outdoor kitchens, the Outlaw features solid control knobs, piezo igniters, and a double-lined hood that retains heat effectively. Though it lacks modern extras like Wi-Fi or LED lighting, its simplicity and rugged build make it a top pick for traditionalists seeking value and power. If you're looking for a reliable, built-in grill without breaking the bank, the Bull Outlaw stands out. List 2. Weber Genesis E415 Natural Gas Grill for Outdoor Grilling. 4 burners. Black. The Weber Genesis E415 combines sleek design with functional performance, making it an excellent choice for larger gatherings. This 4-burner grill delivers an impressive 48,000 BTUs, over 646 square inches of cooking surface, with an additional 274 square inches from the warming rack. The porcelain enameled cast iron grates ensure superb heat retention and easy cleanup. Weber's Pure Blue burners provide precise flame control, and the built-in lid thermometer helps you monitor cooking temperatures. It also features a side shelf prep area and tool hooks for better organization. Though it lacks a sear station or rotisserie burner, the E415's size and value make it ideal for families and entertainers who need a workhorse grill with style and dependability. List number: Weber Genesis E325 Natural Gas Grill for Outdoor Cooking. 3 burners. Black. The Weber Genesis E325 hits a sweet spot between performance and size, making it perfect for mid-sized patios or casual grillers who want a professional feel. It boasts 39,000 BTUs across 3 main burners, along with an integrated sear zone that adds 13,000 BTUs for intense heat when needed. With 513 square inches of cooking space and Weber's upgraded cast iron grates, you'll get excellent sear marks and flavor. The E325 includes side tables, tool hooks, and a sleek black finish that adds a modern touch. It also features Weber's proprietary grease management system for easier cleanup. If you want a reliable mid-range natural gas grill that's as practical as it is stylish, the E325 is a top contender. List number: Weber Spirit 4-burner grill S425 natural gas stainless steel. The Weber Spirit S425 offers premium aesthetics with its polished stainless steel finish, matched by solid functionality and durability. This 4-burner natural gas grill puts out 48,000 BTUs over a large cooking surface of 646 square inches. It features porcelain enameled, cast iron grates, and flavorizer bars that enhance smoke and flavor. The stainless steel construction ensures longevity, while the lid thermometer and electronic ignition system add to the user-friendly design. What sets the S425 apart is its robust build at a competitive price point, making it ideal for families or grillers who want extra space without upgrading to a full Genesis model. It's not as feature-rich as more expensive Weber models, but delivers consistent performance and easy maintenance. List number: Weber Spirit 3-burner grill EP325 natural gas black. Compact yet powerful, the Weber Spirit EP325 is ideal for smaller backyards or those just stepping into the natural gas grilling scene. With 3 burners delivering 32,000 BTUs and a dedicated 13,000 BTU sear station, this grill punches above its weight. It offers 424 square inches of primary cooking space, plus a 105 square inch warming rack. The black porcelain enameled finish resists rust and wear, while the cast iron grates hold heat beautifully. It also includes a grease management system, side tables, and tool hooks for convenience. While it lacks the advanced features of the Genesis line, the Spirit EP325 is a compact, budget-conscious choice that doesn't sacrifice on performance or reliability.